Hey y'all, come with me as I try not to sell this machine for scrap metal. So I bought this machine refurbished, and actually the machine is great. It was the card reader that was an issue. You could scan your card, but you couldn't use the chip reader, and at this location that was a problem. So long story short, it was under warranty, so the company sent me a new one. So all I have to do is reinstall it, right? Well, let's just say this is my third day visiting this machine, and I honestly am contemplating selling this location with an as-is sign. So after watching a YouTube tutorial and thinking, I got this, I met my match with a stripped screw. And no, I did not strip it. It came that way. Remember, I bought it refurbished. After literally drilling a hole through the back of a screw to remove it, I replaced that bad boy, and we're back in business. So as you can see, me, with no electrical and no mechanical background whatsoever, and without breaking a nail, I was able to remove all these parts, replace that credit card reader, put everything back together, flip the switch, turn it on, wait a couple minutes, and voila, credit card reader is back in order.